PPALLAYO. Again, PPALLAYO. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about PPALLAYO. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 323. PPALLAYO. Again, it's PPALLAYO. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is pal, second syllable is la, and third syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. PPALLAYO. PPALLAYO. The meaning of the word PPALLAYO is to do things faster or to hurry up. If you're familiar with the word pali, it has the same meaning as PPALLAYO. Now, how do we write PPALLAYO in Hangul? It is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable pal, we need to draw first a sang-biup or double biup character, followed by an a character, followed by a real character. Next, for the second syllable la, we need to draw first a real character, followed by an a character. And then for the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder iyang, followed by the yo character. Then, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word PPALLAYO. And with that, you've just learned PPALLAYO. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 313 to 322. But don't forget, our word for today is word number 323, PPALLAYO, which means hurry up. The first word for our review is word number 322, sangja, which means box. Next word for our review is sonyo, which means absolutely or completely. Next word is 천천히, which means slowly. Next word is 모르겠어, which means I don't know. Next word is 생각해, which means I think. Next word is 대단해, which means awesome. Next word is 행복해, which means happy or I'm happy. Next word for our review is 예뻐요, which means pretty. Next is 비싸요, which means expensive. And the last word for our review is word number 313, 식당, which means restaurant. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.